The skylights in the bathroom, I think, really highlight our choice of materials. And I think knowing that we'd have a room with lots of natural light, we wanted to choose materials that complemented that light.
They're ventilated as well, so we're circulating air through that master bathroom and it feels very open. So the ventilated skylights along with the light over the vanity, I think, is a very good way to light that bathroom in a natural way.
Every motorized trip ends in a parking situation. Truly, when one arrives at a destination, this gives rise to parking problems and solutions. Particularly in cities and big towns, there is a challenge where the supply-demand ratio makes parking a problem for parking space providers and motorists. We're here to tell you about smart parking solutions. Now we can help parking professionals and their customers by increasing parking space capacity. Donyang PC from South Korea has manufactured and developed smart parking that has been widely used for more than 12 years worldwide in places such as Russia, Romania, Argentina, Iran, Kuwait, Singapore, Mexico, Saudi Arabia, South Korea, and now in the USA. Brought to you by the Smart Parking Solution Company. It has proven its worth on a day-to-day basis. A great solution exploiting limited space using the smart parking system. Today, smart parking is a real solution. It has become a reality. With smart parking, your parking area is expanded according to your needs. With so little space, you can expand up to 8 times on sedan cars and 6 times for SUVs. Smart parking provides 3 series. SL series for sedan cars ranging from 6 to 16 cars. Also, we provide the SU series for SUVs, ranging from 6 cars to 12 cars, and the SUX series for full-size SUVs. Smart parking is highly scalable. The difference between smart parking and standard space maximizing devices is that it doesn't require moving vehicles out of the way to get to other cars. In a typical 2, 3, or 4 high stacker, the bottom vehicles must be moved out of the way so the top shelves can be lowered to the ground. Therefore, you don't need an operator. Smart parking minimizes the exhaust gases of roaming cars trying to find a parking spot. Studies have shown that cars in automated parking emitted 6.3 tons a year of carbon dioxide, while emitting 39.5 tons a year in conventional parking. It saves your car from being dented by other drivers. It's very secure, no scratches, and no stolen belongings. Smart parking also saves your car against floodwater and snow. Smart parking is not only space preservative, but also non-time consuming, for its installation process only takes 3 to 5 days of work, with minimal disruption to your current operations. Setting up the construction site, positioning the base anchors on the designated location, unloading the machinery components such as body frames and pallets, assembling them together, putting the final touches, and testing the system parking procedure. The smart parking system is as simple as a touch of a button. You simply drive your car onto the pallet, and smart parking will ensure that you have parked your car correctly. For retrieval, you simply choose the designated number on the control panel, and the system will start the retrieval process in less than 90 seconds max, even if it is parked on the highest spot. You need not worry even when there's a power outage. Smart Parking has designed the system to work at all times without any malfunctions. The system can be worked manually, so your car is never out of reach. It is made to fit in your design, whatever the shape of your parking space may be. It allows you to host as many cars as you need within your intended area. The outside shape is up to you, with limitless options. Also, it's a great source for advertisement to increase profit to its highest. With Smart Parking, we assure easy installation, powerful software, independent operation, save and earn money, easy to scale, little space required, easy to relocate, a long-lasting system, easy maintenance, 10 years structural warranty. Call Smart Parking Solution today for a free information kit